How would you like to be able to literally give stuff away and make a ton of money, and everything is done for you? It's literally plug and play. It'll take you a few seconds a day to get this going. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know is coming up my review of 500 keto recipes. Before we get to that, my name is Eric. Am I known as the man in the hat? That's because I wear fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the great few people who can pull successfully. Well made by Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you can skip ahead. My jokes, they're really bad. They're dad jokes. I get it. And I'm not even a dad, I mean, I have a few cats, hoping someday to be a dad. But for now, I just tell the dad jokes. And, they're boring, but I like them, so I tell them anyway. But seriously, if you are new, what I do here is two things: review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing? You might ask, well, it's very, very simple to make sure that you don't know by much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Okay, Bart, seriously, Bart. Do you know that guy had been nagging me for like 3 years now on my videos? He got a bunch of his friends in on the act also. If you take a look at my other videos, you'll see a few other people who are in the rotation. But Bart, he started this whole thing. Bart, cut it out. It's enough. But seriously, the way these work here, if I like a pod, I will give a tip of hands to the product great. If I don't, better like next time. I also do a live video about my mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. Now, you see, by the way, Liz, she's the same thing all the time also, but she's a sweetheart. So who can get angry at this lady? And she's kind of like had a couple of people trying to horn in on her action also. Barry Goldberg from the Goldbergs has been in here every now and then. And there's some weird guy who keeps talking about being like a new agey thing and also an entrepreneur. I don't know, crazy stuff. But seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified of dropping the videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so we're going out the sales page for my friend John's 500 keto recipes. This is a brand new product from John. John, basically what he does is he puts the PLR on all kinds of really cool stuff and just gives you a ton of value for a very low price. This is going to be 10 bucks, by the way. So really worth picking this up. It's a very, very inexpensive product to grab and to be able to start making some serious money from this. But let me explain to you why you can make money from this and literally not have to sell anything to people. You're going to give stuff away and make money from this. So here's what you're going to get from me. And it's exclusively for me, by the way. Okay, John's stuff is great, but if you really want to make money from this, you got to pay close attention. So what I'm going to continue for you like this. I'm going to hand to you a done-for-you membership site. Okay, now, but I don't want you to actually charge people. You can if you'd like to. It does include WooCommerce. You want to go in and charge people, you can charge people. You can set up a membership site, sell content. That was my original thought when I was putting this together. I thought to myself, okay, well, people can charge, $5, $10 a month, whatever it is. Then it occurred to me, what would be better than charging people? Giving them a free membership site so that everybody's going to want to sign up because it's free. And then what you do is you use that list that you get with free people signing up, and then you can market other products to them. Because people who are interested in keto, they want to get other information about keto. They want to know about this stuff. So yeah, you can give them, and you could also do like a hybrid kind of thing where you give some of this away and some of it paid. I think it's probably the best method of doing this. You give a sampling for free. You give 50 or 100 recipes for free. And by the way, I have more stuff for you besides this. It's not just a WP membership site. I'm going to tell you about that in just a second. But I want to just explain to you how I envision this working. So you give some of it for free and some of it is behind a paywall. And that's a really great method of doing this. But here's the real kicker here. See, I didn't want you to just have the keto recipes. I want you to have content that you can give away. Articles, reports, ebooks, all kinds of stuff like that. So in order to really, really make this thing pop for you, I went ahead and went the extra mile for you. So first and foremost, I'm going to give you, I put together a list of over 300 topics on keto dieting that you can go ahead and get reports made. And I'm going to share with you, I'm going to show you literally over my shoulder how I have it done in about 20 seconds. I can have a 1,000-word report done in about 20 to 30 seconds. Yes, it's using ChatGPT. Okay, I'm not going to, keep that from you. But there's a particular trick to using ChatGPT that you need to know about. Because if you don't know about this, ChatGPT can be great, but if you don't know my secret trick to using it, you're not going to get what you need out of it. Okay, because if you just tell ChatGPT, write me a report about keto dieting, it'll do something very, very generic, and it's not going to be very, very valuable to you. But if you follow my particular instructions that I'm going to hand to you, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create stuff you can actually sell. Okay, you're going to be able to create content that people are actually going to want to pay for. And you're going to be able to create reports that are thousands of words long using my specific method. And I'm going to show you literally, you watch me do it in real time on ChatGPT. I'm showing you over my shoulder exactly what I'm doing and the prompts that I'm using in order to make this thing work, because there is a particular trick to doing it. And I'm also going to get you started with over 300 ideas so you can go ahead and take these ideas and get started with them and turn those into the content that you can give away. And it's literally, or sell, whatever you want to do. And it's literally going to take you about 20 to 30 seconds to make each of these things happen. And the reason I didn't do it for you is because ChatGPT, what it'll do for you is it'll actually write the content for you automatically, and it'll give you something unique every time you ask for it. So like this, you're going to have your own unique stuff as opposed to me giving you something. I want to give you the topics because topics doesn't matter. You can have the same topic as somebody else as long as your content is not exactly the same. You are going to be unique. You're going to have your own selling point. So that's why I deliberately did not generate content for you. I'm showing you how to do it. And it literally took me, you can see in real time, about 20, 30 seconds, but you need to know my trick to do it. Because if you just put in something into ChatGPT, it's not going to work. You're not going to be able to generate what you need. You need to use my secret trick in order to make that work. Okay, but I didn't stop there because I figured, okay, so you have your recipes and you also have your content that you're going to give away. What more can you do? Well, I also went ahead and put together a list of more than 25 different high converting affiliate products that you can get instant approval for, so you don't have to wait for approval. Because a lot of things like on Warrior Plus, if you ask for approval, you got to wait. These are instant approval affiliate products. You're going to get approved instantly, and you can put an ad on your website, or when you capture people's leads, you can go ahead and take that and start giving out selling people stuff. That's going to be included for you as well. So you're going to have all of that included for you when you pick this thing up from me. Okay, and that's on top of a whole bunch of other bonuses. You're going to see the list down below this video. If you're looking on YouTube, just check it out on my website. The link is in the description. If you're on my website, you can see the whole list of everything that's included. There's also my brand new InstaRip traffic method, which is really, really cool. So you're going to be able to get traffic completely for free. You don't spend any money for that either. And everything is included, by the way, in the $10 price. I'm not making you buy an upsell in order to get all this stuff. Everything is included for the $10. Okay, literally the whole thing, all the stuff I'm handing you, all of it is there. Okay, it's a really, really massive package you're getting for a lousy $10. Now, let me show you the members area real quick over here. You can see it right here. It's basically just going to be a download page. Okay, just click here to download your 500 keto recipes, and it's going to go ahead and download. You also have John's bonuses here, of course, but my bonuses are going to be really special, and nobody has them except for me. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously, okay, you rock. Okay, this is awesome. For $10, you're basically getting a business in a box that is done for you, especially when you pick it up from me, because when you pick it up from me, you're getting all the extras that you need in order to really make this thing pop. And that was what my goal was. I want this to pop for you. I don't want it to cost you a lot of money. So everything's going to be included. I'm even going to show you, by the way, how to get a free website and free hosting. Okay, I actually found a better hosting service than the one I originally recommended. I included the video that I made about a month ago. I recommended free hosting, but I found a better place to get free hosting. I'm going to include that for you. I'm also going to show you two different methods of getting a domain name, because I'm going to show you how to get a free domain name. So the free domain name, you can get it for free. You can have it for free forever. But it is a bit of a pain because you got to renew it once a year. I'm also going to show you another place that I found. You can get a better quality domain name for only $1.88 for the year. Okay, that's going to be included with this as well. So all of that is there. And this one really grab this for $10. You really can't go over. You're going to love this.